Here's how you can make dragon beard cotton candy. Okay, and this is way harder than it looks. And it's not so easy to make, but it only takes 5 ingredients. In a saucepan, add water, corn syrup, food coloring, a splash of vinegar, and a whole bunch of sugar. Bring this up to 260 degrees, let it cool for just a bit, and then pour it in a mold. Wait until it gets hard, make a hole, slightly stretch it out, cover it in cornstarch, and make a larger circle. And now you just gotta twist so you can make a figure 8, and then you fold, and then you keep doing it. So that's 2 layers. Oh shit. I guess now that's 4. You twist to make the figure 8. 16 layers. Fold. 32 layers. Fold. 64 layers. It's almost like it's melting. Fold. 64, 128 layers. Fold. 128 squared. I don't know, man. I took applied math in high school. Twist, fold. I don't know what layer I'm at right now. Twist, fold, twist, fold. All right, I think I'm getting the hang of it now. Twist, fold, twist, fold. I think this could go thinner, but it's not bad. And I made a few different snacks like this with my buddies. I made cotton candy with Linja, and I made sugar string with Chef Romaine. But this is just an attempt at dragon's beard. I've also seen people wrap peanuts in this, so it's almost like a little square snack. I actually have one more left, so if you guys think you can give it a shot, I would love to see it. Let me know in the comments on how you guys did. I think I can do it again on my second try.